Welcome to the Concise AE Guide, a tutorial for the modern Avid Assistant editor in scripted TV and film. Our tutorial has been carefully designed to present information in the most efficient means possible without sacrificing important information. The guide is broken down by category so you can quickly jump to the task needed that particular workday. The text guide provides easy-to-follow bulleted instructions accompanied by video tutorials demonstrating concepts in detail. The text guide is interactive, linking important tools, media, and further instructions allowing the user to make use of these resources as desired. Such tools included are a Google Sheets VFX tracker with custom functionality and a spreadsheet that'll auto-generate VFX IDs for your Avid markers with customized formatting fields for film and TV. And we even provide a batch of dailies from a film so you can follow along beside us. In the tutorial, we take you from A to Z, what to do before the production starts. We introduce you to the different roles of the people you'll be interfacing with, provide you with the perfect template for your Avid project, demonstrate how to process dailies, turnover and track visual effects from an assistant editor's perspective. We'll teach you how to do turnovers to various departments, including mix, online, and the composer, among others. And we'll take you all the way through the process, including wrap-up. This guide covers all ground, making it perfect for beginners, but also presents itself concisely, making it the perfect checklist for pros as well. In fact, after many years of assisting on top Hollywood films and TV shows made by the networks you love, I reference this guide and use the customized tools within it on a daily basis. Here's how it works. Visit our website, conciseaeguide.com, and scroll down to the Purchase section. The guide is Google Drive based, so you'll need a free Gmail account to access the files. Once we receive payment, we'll share a link to the guide to the Gmail address you provided. Then you just drag and drop the shared link into your Google Drive, so you'll always have the link handy. And since the files are hosted on our account, none of your Google Drive space will be consumed. The Concise AE Guide has the knowledge you'll need to get the edge in the competitive world of film and TV, and serves as a lifelong reference guide.